In Aries Kudo, you can not only use standard blocks, but also parametric blocks, such as dynamic blocks created in AutoCAD, and custom blocks created in Aries. You can insert and manipulate them using smart grips for actions like stretching, rotating, or switching visibility states, just like in Aries Commander. Aries Kudo also includes the Trinity Block Library, a shared cloud-based block library that contains more than 450 ready-to-use dynamic blocks, organized in folders. Once inserted, blocks become part of the drawings database, and you can reuse or edit them as needed. Because dynamic blocks are parametric, you can directly manipulate their shape and visibility, or apply basic movements, by using their grips. Even the most complex dynamic blocks can also be reused in Aries Kudo. The W-block command allows you to extract blocks from a drawing and save them independently in a specific cloud directory, so you can reuse them later in another drawing. This allows you to extract any blocks you find useful for future drawings. By the way, the Trinity Block Library is fully customizable. You can add blocks, organize them, and share them. The palette now allows us to create a folder and upload blocks. We can upload a single block or several at once. It also offers the option to upload an entire folder along with its contents. Here we can see the new folder, along with all the blocks it contains. These same options are available when we open the Resources section dedicated to the Trinity Block Library, which you may already be familiar with from previous years. Here we also find the icons that allow us to upload blocks, create new folders, or import entire directories along with their contents. In this list, we can see the new folders we've created. From here, we can share these directories with our collaborators, and depending on the license type, we could create directories for our entire organization. Aries Kudo also allows you to upload a file containing many blocks to the library. Thanks to this icon, you can view all the blocks contained in the drawing, turning it into a sort of folder filled with reusable content. Users with an Aries Trinity license can see how the Trinity Block Library palette has also been updated in Aries Commander. When selecting a block, we can view its specific properties. Aries Kudo includes hundreds of tools for creating and editing 2D drawings, making it functionally equivalent to AutoCAD LT. This also makes it easier to share drawings with colleagues or clients by assigning them different access roles. By creating and sharing online block libraries, you can enable users with limited CAD experience to easily edit drawings. Another key advantage of Aries Kudo is its Trinity collaboration features for collecting feedback. Once a project is completed, users can mention others in comments, for example, to request a review. Thanks to the Trinity tools, we have the ability to add comments with mentions that draw the attention of other users. When the comment is posted, the mentioned user receives an email notification, allowing them to quickly access the drawing and respond. The mere act of mentioning someone grants them view access to a drawing. As soon as this person responds, we see a notification directly on the comment icon, and by opening it, we can view the response and continue our conversation. At any time, we can generate a view-only link, which allows us to share the drawing with other users. Although these users can view the drawing, they won't be able to comment unless they have a Graybird account. Fortunately, signing up for an account is easy and free.